Hi, today I'm explaining about another assignment in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so in this assignment category, so a list of 12 assignments. Everyone, each and every student have to submit because you'll get internal marks. Okay, so this character tracing and coloring is over, and creating logo. We created logo, and the business card and visiting card also over. And the before class yesterday in before class I explained you letterhead design A4 size. Today we are discussing about envelope design. Okay, so the sizes different sizes are there. Okay, so we are preparing a design within 110 by 220 mm. Okay, so actually what is envelope? Suppose envelopes are covers, actually the regular covers to put your document inside your A4 size, sometimes your A3 size papers. You can fold it and put inside. Okay, so so that different sizes are there. Suppose this is A4 size. Okay, your A4 size sheet, as it is you can prepare the same size. The size can be 324 into 220 9 millimeters. So this can be C4. The name is given differently, but the same sheet, the same size. Okay, so you can insert your A4 size sheets within that. Then there is another cover, C5 cover. What is C5? C5 is nothing but if you take A4 size paper and you can fold it exactly half. Okay, that can be A5. So A4 size is a regular typing paper. Okay, you can fold that into equally. So that can be a C5. Okay, so yes, a small disturbance. Yes. Now what is C5? C5 means nothing but fold the paper A4 size half. That can be your C4 size envelope cover. The size can be 162 into 229. Another cover, C6. Simple. How you understand this? C6 means you can fold it. Suppose half fold A4 size. Already you folded half C5, and you can fold again C5 into another half. This can be C6. The size is 114 into 162 mm. Then here this is DL. This is a regular, actually the regular stationery cover. Most of the companies, most of the people, they use their personal uses. Okay, so you can fold it twice. Suppose you can fold here and fold again. So this can be 110 by 220 mm size. Here this is the cover open. You can open here or this side also. You Okay, this side also you can make the open. Okay, so these cover generally this 110 by 220, these regular covers, mostly all the companies they use their personal uses. Suppose your appointment orders and your promotional letters and offer letters, okay, so and A4 size and their letterheads, they print your order form, whatever the appointment or letterheads, I mean your uh, offer letters and uh, all the important documents that type on their letterheads. So and they can fold the letterheads twice and they can insert into this cover. Okay, so envelope and letterheads and the business cards and logos, these are the stationery items. Stationery items means what? For all the companies, all the industry people on the manufacturing units, everyone, they use for their personal uses. Okay, so these are very very important to understand how to design and what are the sizes and all. Okay, so suppose today we are planning this cover 110 by 220, or otherwise you can take this 162 into 229 size. Okay, the size is 162 by 229 mm. Okay, we prepare a cover. Okay, so horizontally 229 and vertically 162. Okay, yes. So for that, first what you do, take a new file. Okay, here you give the width of suppose 229 to 9, suppose change it into millimeters, 2 to 9, so 229 by 162, 162. Okay, 229 by 162 horizontally. Yes, because we are preparing this for printing, so as it easily you can leave it CMYK and resolution 300. Say okay and give the name here, envelope cover design, VELOP, envelope cover design, envelope cover design. Right, yes, say okay. So this is your cover dimensions. Okay, now we prepare a design. So for that, actually we want our logos. Suppose I want our logo and address details and all. So for that, what I'll do, I use here it is. Suppose power design, this is 4th. Yes, I'll copy this and I'll paste here, and I'm opening this because here I have my logos and address details, and no need to create every time your logo and your text. Text will be the same and the logo will be the same, so simply I'm copying and pasting there. So I'm focusing only on design. Okay, right. So you can copy this, Control C, you can paste here, so Control V. Okay, this is your logo, keep this here. The same way I'll take the text, this entire text, Control C, come here and you can paste. This is, now I can remove this. Yes, now these are the things. Yeah, now we have to design our envelope. Okay, so this is my logo And suppose generally for envelopes, the lower left side, your from address, okay, we place from address, and the top right corner we prepare a to address. Suppose to someone, so and so person, so and so city, and so area. Okay, we place the information top right, okay, and the bottom left, so definitely the from address. Generally that is the procedure format. Okay, according to we prepare. Suppose here I use rollers here for the safe lines, for the safe marks. Yes, and from top also I'm creating this. Yes, okay, so now you can make this a left alignment. Okay, so this and this you can select and give the suppose left alignment. Okay, yes, this is okay. A more bit move up. Yes, you select this, move up. Yes, this is okay. Sometimes if you don't want, you can remove the guidelines also. Yes, right. Okay, so envelope cover and design. Let's save this. Okay, okay, now this logo we can place here. Okay, can place here, but bit move up. Bit move up, and then what we do, so already it is saved. We have to prepare a some design, some decoration for this. So what I do, I'll take this, copy, so alt, press alt and take copy, and here you can ungroup this, ungroup, and you can remove this text. Okay, now what you'll do, so with the rotation tool, I'm getting this point here, the reference point. By pressing Alt, I'll get this here. Okay, here I'm giving some angle number, suppose 30 degrees, and copy. Okay, otherwise 35 I'll give. Yeah, that is better. Suppose again with Alt, press Alt, and I'll keep there. Okay, and here I give 30, otherwise I will give 40 degrees and copy this. Okay, yes, I copied, and by pressing Ctrl D, we'll get copies of that. So beautifully copied all. Then what you do, so for time being, you lock these layers. Suppose these layers you can lock. Now you can select all these things. Okay, make it smaller, yes, this is. Now what I'll do, you can right click and group. So you grouped everything. Now you can reduce the opacity of this, because just I want very partial visibility. Okay, so this is I'm using for one envelope design. Here we write the to address over on that. Okay, so you can lock this, and this also you can lock. Okay, so this is one of my cover, envelope cover, and again I'm planning one more. Okay, so I'm duplicating the artboard with the same size, keep here. Yes, now what I'll do, I'll give changes. Yeah, that is this. Yeah, this is this. this I'm deleting. Okay, right, and yeah, unlock this, and suppose, yeah, unlock this. Okay, so unlock this. Now I'm preparing it must be a center alignment. Okay, you can select everything and give center. Yes, this is the center of the this one, the composition, but this is not looking good, so what I'll do, so make it left only, and this, I'll do this left, okay, so move down, and this also you can align with this. Move up here. What I'll do, Control S, here what I'll do, I'm preparing a some design, supportive design. Yes, Control S. So here with the pen tool, I'll prepare some shapes. Okay, and here I want to give some curve, so for that add the point here with the direct selection tool, select the point, okay, okay. What I'll do, I'll do it again. here, 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 and suppose here, and you can bend this shape. Yes, and with this direct selection tool you push that back. Yes, this is. Then what I'll do, I'll duplicate this. So Control C, Control Shift V, and you can duplicate that. Okay, and here I use this color, the eyedropper tool. I use this color. Okay, then we send it back because I want red top and blue back. Send back. Yes, this is nice. So we write the to address here. Interesting. Then make it Control C. Okay, if you can prepare one more also, we can prepare. So I'll take one more artboard, press Control and drag this. Yes, this is okay. Now what we do, delete them, and we arrange it differently here. So there we draw one patch. This is patch. Okay, yeah, you select that patch, and from brushes we can add any stroke type and all, but these are not looking good, so I'll get new brushes, artistic, calligraphic, and borders dashed, decorative. Suppose this is this is, you can check which one is better for you. Purely this is up to you. Yeah, suppose it's not like a wedding envelope. Suppose this is like wedding envelope, but I don't like this. Instead of that, use different shapes. So I'll try with the new brushes, borders, lines, novelty borders. Check them differently. Something like Yeah, this is interesting. This is interesting. Okay, but yes, suppose you can delete this. Yes, just like one line we want. Yes, and you can make it bigger. Okay, and move back. Yes, interesting. Okay, so this is interesting, but this can be this side, because there the top open, cover open, we are preparing at the top, so you can open here and you can insert your things, papers and all. So this can be rotate. So transform and suppose rotate, and here 180 degrees. No, this can be transform and suppose a reflector vertically angle, no vertical, yes, 36, yes, or this number can be 50, yes, 45 degrees it is. Okay, anyway, so I'll get it manually here. Yes, and now you can decrease the size. Size can be decreasable. Okay, and now yes, you are just adjusting that edges. This is fantastic. Okay, so your to address is there, from address here, and cover open is there. This is make it Control S. Okay, so we prepared 3 different type of envelope covers. So we so there is some problem here, it is not rotated well. Yes, just more. Yes, now you can move this side. Yes, this is okay. Now Control S. So this is the envelope cover design. Okay, so I explained you about everything about envelopes and all, sizes and dimensions, and the uses of the envelopes. So here these are the final designs. The cover open is at top. Okay, the left bottom our address, from address, and right corner to address. Okay, so you also have to prepare your own envelopes, and if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, thank you.